In this problem, we're being asked to determine the area of a rhombus, and they're telling us about a couple of parts of the diagonals. Segment PT is 9, and segment QT is 11. So one of the things we're going to need to know about is some of the properties of the diagonals of a rhombus. And actually, I'm going to show you this in terms of these four triangles to show you how to calculate the area in terms of triangles, because we already know the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So that's the area for a triangle. I'm going to put a triangle down here just to not confuse us, because the area, there's another formula for the area of a rhombus I'll show you later that's going to be a nice shortcut for us. But I want to show you how this works in terms of these triangles first. So one of the things to know about a rhombus is all of these sides are the same. The other thing to know is that these diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So if this side QT is 11, that means ST is 11. And if this side PT is 9, that means this side RT is 9. And what you should notice now is every single one of these triangles has a side that's 9, a side that's 11, and a side that's whatever length the outside of the rhombus is. So these are four identical triangles. So we could figure out and they're right triangles to boot. So we could figure out the area of one of these triangles and just multiply by 4. So, you use the legs of the triangle for the base and height when it's a right triangle. So we could say 1/2 of 9 times 11, but then we'd be multiplying that by, by 4. So that would be really 4 times 1/2 is 2. So 2 times 9 times 11, that's 2 times 99. That's going to be 198. And then we're in meters, so square meters. So that's how to think about the area of a rhombus in terms of these four triangles that the diagonals split up into. The shortcut is a different formula, and that is if you call one diagonal P and the other one Q, it's the two diagonals P and Q multiplied together and then divided by 2. And you can verify that's the truth. We've got 18 times 22 divided by 2 is going to give you 198 square meters. So same thing. So this is the kind of the shortcut formula, but this is the way to understand it in terms of the area of a triangle.